Differentiate the function with respect to x. The function is sin x to the whole power x plus sine inverse of root x. Let y equals to sin x to the power x plus sine inverse root x. Take the first term, sin x to the power x, let it be t. Take natural logarithm on both the sides. Hence we get log t equals to x log sin x. Differentiating it with respect to x on both the sides, we get 1 by t dt by dx equals to, use product rule to evaluate the differentiation of RHS. Hence we get log sin x plus x into cos x by sin x. This is log of sin x plus x cot x. Cross multiplying t on the other side, we get dt by dx equals to sin x to the power x into log of sin x plus x cot x. Similarly, take the second term, k equals to sine inverse root x. Differentiating it with respect to x, we get dk by dt, apply chain rule here, d by dt of k is equals to d by d root x of k is sine inverse root x into d by dx of root x. d by d root x of sine inverse root x is this thing, 1 upon under root 1 minus root x square into d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x, which is equals to 1 by 2 under root x minus x square. Hence dk by dt equals to 1 by 2 under root x minus x square. Now y is equals to t plus k. Hence differentiating it with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to dt by dx plus dk by dx. Hence replacing the value of dt by dx and dk by dx, we get dy by dx equals to sin x to the power x whole into log of sin x plus x cot x plus 1 upon 2 under root x minus x square, which is the final answer. Thank you.